bonus depreciation, right? So you can really get a
Yes.
really nice first year hit, and you get the ongoing remainder of the depreciation for
Yes,
the next 5 to 7 years,
for
because like
sure.
in 2024, you're only able to take the 60% bonus depreciation. So you still have the 40% of the cost basis to then allocate over 5 or 7 years. So you end up with a very nice kind of stream of depreciation deductions.
Totally, totally. I was thinking, like, in the assisted livings, sprinkler system is a necessity, fire alarm system, and lots of fixed assets which we don't really use in single family rentals, but we need it for assisted living. Also, the front and the backyard, and also for the seniors to enjoy the backyard grills and fireplace, you name it, all different things. Would they be deductible also? Like, and the
Yeah,
whole capex budget, we could spend 150,000 easy to renovate a property when we buy one, so that all that will be deductible, right?
yeah. Not only so, all of that is deductible, right? As you
Mhm.
know, you can capitalize it. Some of it you could just expense, right? Some of it would be de
Yeah,
minimis, and you could expense it.
yeah,
The bigger stuff, the security systems,
yes,
the outside sprinklers for the lawn would be a land
yeah,
improvement. The stuff, the security and fire alarms and that kind of stuff, those would all be 5 year assets. And the rest of the stuff would probably just be regular, just 5 year assets. Also,
mhm,
like the grill and stuff you were talking about outside. You
yeah,
had
yeah,
chairs and tables and patios and stuff. And again, it's almost like a vacation rental. It's like, you're
so
putting a
true.
lot of stuff in there um to be able to keep it running, right? And so
Yes,
what's nice about that is that you have this ability to create, tax deductions based on what you put into it, and you can almost plan it out, right? Like
mhm,
you can pick
mm,
your level of,
yeah,
what you want to put in there, so you know what to deduct. The other thing too, so let's say you so you have to keep this in mind when you buy a property. Let's say you buy a house, right?
mhm,
Now the house needs work, like you said, you have a capex budget. You're going
yep,
to go in and you're going to renovate the property,
yep,
right? Well, you need to talk to your cost segregation study company, because
yep,
they can do a disposal study as part of your cost seg study, right? So you go in, just as
yes,
an example, on a smaller level, because these are smaller properties, right? You can go in,
mhm,
you can take pictures of everything that was in the house when you bought it.
yep,
Literally the day you
mm,
close, you go walk through it with a video camera, right?
mhm, mhm.
Now all of the things that you remove from that
Ah,
house as part of the renovations, your cost
yes,
segregation study company can value those
yes.
and create a write-off